everyone, I'm Sunita Sharma and I'm from FAM Properties. Today I will talk about elite project of Dubai, Sobha Heartland. Sobha Heartland is situated in Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum city, the most prestigious location of Dubai. It's epicenter of Dubai and is located on Dubai Water Canal. Sobha Heartland is spread over 8 million square feet of area, and of that area, 2.4 million square feet is lush green. What else you want? It will provide you with world-class amenities, panoramic views and finest destinations just minutes away. The quality speaks more than the words. Want to experience? Come with me. One of the best features of Sobha Heartland is its location. As you can see, it's 3 kilometers away from Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall and downtown. Then it comes, the world's tallest residential tower is right next to Sobha Heartland, and it's just right across the words the Maidan One Mall. It is situated on Dubai Canal, and on right side of it is the spectac Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. Dubai Metro Green Line is being extended up to Sobha Heartland. We will talk more about the community itself. As I mentioned, Sobha Heartland is situated on Dubai Water Canal, and there are 23 exclusive villas which will be right in front of Dubai Water Canal. These are approximately 14,000 square feet in area. Here you can see 5-bedroom forest villas which are due for handover in end of this year, and here 4-bedroom forest villas, and after that comes the Gardenia villas. They are all already launched. Here you can see 27 quad homes. These are 4-bedroom townhouses, one of its kind, G+2 buildings, and it is supposed to hand over by the end of this year. There are 2 already running schools in the Sobha Heartland. One is Heartland International, one is North London Collegiate School, one of the very prestigious brand. There is one exclusive mall and hotel for Sobha Heartland. The signature building is already being started, and here is affordable housing Heartland Aflex. We'll talk more about it. These 2 buildings will be handed over in October next year. Here you can see the amenities of the building. There is a waterfall, sitting area, kids play area, gym and swimming pool at the podium level, all world-class amenities. Now we talk about the quality Sobha stands for. For example, the height and width of the door will remain same in all the apartments, irrespective of studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom apartment. As we enter, on the right hand side is a laundry room, and on left hand side there's powder room for the guests. And now we enter the living hall. Now you can see the size of the living hall. It's massive, isn't it? The height of the ceiling will remain same in all the apartments. One interesting feature of Sobha Heartland Apartments is it's coming with a smart home system. With one touch button on your phone, you can control the lighting, LED lighting on the ceilings and AC to suit your lifestyle. And now we will see the kitchen. Before we start talking about the kitchen, I will talk about the quality of the glass. It's double coated. It protects your house from the ultraviolet lights and sound. You have 2 options of kitchen. Either it can be closed or semi-open depending on your lifestyle. Kitchen comes with the fitted equipments. You can see dishwasher, the fitted oven with the exhaust and refrigerator. All these are of Siemens brand. The color scheme of cabinets will remain same in all the apartments irrespective of the size. Interesting. As we move out of kitchen, we can see very spacious dining area. And now we move on to bedrooms. Now we are in the 2nd bedroom of a 2-bedroom apartment. There are 2 colors in every 2-bedroom apartment. One is grey and one is brown. All 2nd bedrooms of a 2-bedroom apartment will be grey in flooring, and to match it, the color of the cabinet and the wall will remain the same. Both the bedrooms in a 2-bedroom apartment are ensuite. And here you can see, to match the color of the bedroom flooring and wall, even the mosaic tiles of bathroom are grey in color. The quality of finish will remain same in all the apartments. Now we are in the most important part of the home, the master bedroom. The ceiling to floor size of the window gives it a very open look. The flooring of the master bedroom is light brown in color, giving it a very soothing feel. The wall color and the cabinet colors are set to match the flooring brown in color. All 2-bedroom apartments at podium level will come with the private garden area. Beautiful. From conception to completion, Sobha Heartland is 100% sufficient project. They are not depending to outsource anything in their project. The contractors and developers both are in-house. So, their delivery date and the finishing quality both will be uncompromised. Thank you.